Hi, welcome back to another episode on the Rams Family Channel. I'm gonna take a couple of minutes and show you another recipe I found on with zucchinis. So first thing you want to do is grind your zucchini. Shred it if you prefer. Now that the zucchini is shredded, what I want to do, I'm going to take a cheesecloth that I have here. Then you want to make it as dry as possible, the whole zucchini, the whole shredded zucchini. So I'm gonna try to drain it a little bit, and I'm gonna take whatever's left and squeeze it with the cheesecloth. So I'm gonna put this in the boil and keep going with the rest of the zucchini. Then I need to add 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, then the recipe is asking for 1 large egg. I'm gonna put 2 medium or small ones, and I'm pretty sure I have a little bit more zucchini than what it was asked for. It was asking for a pound and a half of zucchini. Now the recipe is asking for a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Now I can also add salt and pepper, just the way, according to what you like. The recipe also says you should put 2 cloves of garlic in there, slice it up and put it in there. I don't, but what I do have is the Epicure garlic powder, so that's what I'm gonna put in there. I'm gonna put just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of taste, but not too much. Also, the one I have says herb garlic, and it has a little bit of sea salt in it, so I'm not gonna put too much. Just a little bit to give it a little bit of taste. I also have this kind of spice here, 3 onions. It has onions, scallions, herbs, and chives. I'm just gonna put a little bit, just once again, to give it a little bit of taste. And now I'm gonna blend everything up together. I forgot to put a little bit of pepper. I'm just gonna put a little bit of pepper on there, mix it all up, and then I'm gonna show you what to do with them. So once again, the best thing would be to use olive oil, but I'm here with my vegetable oil, and this is what I'm gonna use. Now I'm gonna take an ice cream scoop my my zucchini blend, and put a couple of scoops in there, and make sure I have everything in the oil. I'm gonna fry it. I think it might be a little bit too liquid for what it's supposed to be, but it seemed to be working anyway, so hopefully I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope that it turns out well. It says to fry it on both sides for about 2 minutes, and it should be ready. wish you could smell it because it smells awesome. It looks delicious. This is gonna be a little side dish with my pork chops that are cooking right now. Alright, so the kids are in the kitchen eating. Figured I was gonna conclude my video here. I'm in the living room, so thanks for watching. Don't hesitate to share, like, subscribe if it's not already done. And if you try this recipe, the kids seem to be loving it. It smells delicious. So if you do it, let me know how you find it. See you next time. Bye.